So for brunch at the moment, I've been making lots and lots of our corn fritters with our smoky baked beans and then smashed avocado. And this is one of the recipes that we've been serving in the deli for the last couple of years, and it's been tried and tested by tens of thousands of people and has been kind of consistently the most popular. So when we were writing our new book, I was like, we've got to put that recipe in there. It's going to be right at the top of the list. So to make them, I always start with the beans because they take a little bit longer because you just want them to simmer and absorb all the flavors. And so we use cumin, paprika, and chilli, which is what gives the brilliant flavors. And before that, we saute the garlic and onion, and then we add the herbs so that all the flavors just come out in the pan. And then we just cook the beans down with some tomato, a little bit of maple, just to get a little bit of sweetness in there. Tamari, which just adds a really nice, rich, deep flavor, kind of brings out the saltiness. We add apple cider vinegar for a little bit of a tang, that kind of freshness. We add some tomato puree because that just deepens the tomato flavor, which is lovely. And then we put fresh parsley on the top, so it really is beautifully simple. And then while that's simmering away and just getting so flavoursome, we make the sweet corn fritters. So that actually the main ingredient is sweet corn, obviously, and then polenta, which I really like, and obviously also brings out the yellow colour of the sweet corn, which is really nice, I think. And we use a little bit of buckwheat flour and a little bit of plain flour, but you could use all plain flour if that's easier for you. A little bit of almond milk, a little bit of coconut yogurt, which just helps with the texture, but again, you can just use any plain yogurt for that. And then for flavour, we've also got fresh coriander, which looks good in there as well with the green, and fresh chilli, which again, the red looks really nice in there. So you just blitz up your sweet corn and then you mix it all together in a bowl. So it's a super simple process. And now we just fry them up in the pan, flip them over once they start going golden and crispy. And then while that's frying up, you can just blitz up your avocado, make it really creamy, so you can do a nice dollop on the top. And then the beans go on the top, stack the fritters, dollop the avocado, and your friends are going to be completely blown away. This is whenever I'm cooking at home and want to impress people, this is what I do, and you'll see it's really easy to make, but it looks super fancy. And then you'll find the recipe for this in the cookbook, which is coming out this summer on the 23rd of August, and it's got over 100 plant-based vegan recipes in it.